सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु ta'ala ala Muhammad. Dawat-e-Islami's publisher Maktabatul Madina's published booklet Bible Horse Rider says on page number 7 with reference of Durr-e Mukhtar, if the performer of sacrifice makes someone else slaughter the animal and places his own hand as well on the knife at the time of sacrifice, so that they both jointly slaughter the animal, reciting Bismillah is wajib for both of them in this case. If either of them did not recite Bismillah deliberately or missed it, assuming that the other may have uttered Bismillah, the animal will not be halal in both the cases. Sallu alal Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।